After meeting all the requirements for Facebook monetization, yeah, you've gotten the 5K followers, you've gotten the watch hour, etc. Now you see that there is this very particular issue you are going to encounter here, which is the content monetization policy. You see that it is very difficult to check that very one. Now the question is this here: how do you really check it? How do you really move out from that very place? So this is what I will be teaching you if you stay with me to the end of this video. I'll be telling you step by step what to do in order to achieve that very content monetization policy and have it checked. If you know you've not subscribed to our YouTube channel, we make videos like this every day to help you. Do well to smash the subscribe button. Click on the bell notification so that whenever we release videos like this, you'll be the first person to see this very video. Now, if you have a page and you encounter such issue here, whether it is a professional page, which is your content account, your content page here, and you have that issue, so what do you do to really fix it? So what we are going to be doing here, we are going to be applying, we are going to be writing Facebook so that they can help us fix it. So what you do, you come to your profile here. Now click on the drop down. Once you click on your drop down menu, whether you are using phone or you are using laptop, etc., click on your drop down menu, then scroll down to where you are going to see help. Yeah, scroll down to where you are going to see help. Click on help and support and click on report a problem. Now once you click on report a problem, click on something went wrong here. Now once you click on something went wrong, click on don't include in report here. Now select the area. If it is a page, if it is a profile, you are going to select it. So what I'm going to work on is page here. I'm going to select page here. Is that okay? So if you can as well screenshot your page, click on this add a screenshot and have your page attached on it. So the next thing you are going to do, what I'm about to post here is exactly what you are going to type here. Type exactly what you are seeing on the screen and include your page link at the necessary place. Once you are done, click on send. What you are telling Facebook, you are telling Facebook that the content of your pages are your content, because Facebook is tagging your content on original content. So that is why it is like that. But you want to tell Facebook that, look, this is my content, so please review and have this thing, fixed. Within 24 hours, Facebook is going to fix it for you, and that content monetization policy will be checked for you. That is just that. I hope you found value in this video. Like I said, if you know you've not subscribed to our YouTube channel, click on the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, and give us thumbs up for these videos, yeah? So that whenever we release videos like this, you'll be the first person to see this very video. I'll see you in my next video.